Teaching reading comprehension using authentic text. As educators, one of our primary goals is to teach our students how to read and comprehend written text. Reading is a foundational skill that opens doors to endless opportunities for learning and personal growth. However, the effectiveness of teaching reading comprehension depends heavily on the quality of text used in the process. In order to effectively engage students with the content, it is important to use authentic texts that truly capture their attention. By using texts that feel relevant to their own lives, students are more likely to develop a passion for reading. One of the best ways to do this is by selecting works of fiction written by quality authors. Quality authors possess the ability to use language in ways that can captivate their readers and draw them into the worlds they have created. The language used in these texts can often be more complex and rich than what students might typically be exposed to, providing them with a wider vocabulary and more advanced sentence structure. Through these works, students are exposed to the vast possibilities of literature and the importance of language as a tool for expression and communication. However, quality authors and their works also often deal with powerful themes, challenging topics, and controversial ideas. While some teachers may be hesitant to introduce these subjects into the classroom, doing so can greatly enhance the learning experience for students. By engaging with texts that include challenging ideas, students can develop critical thinking skills and a greater understanding of the world around them. Furthermore, quality works of fiction often use storytelling as a means of exploring complex ideas and issues. Through the characters and events depicted in these works, students can develop empathy and emotional intelligence, both of which are essential life skills. In conclusion, the importance of using authentic text in teaching reading comprehension cannot be overstated. By using quality authors and works of fiction, teachers can expose their students to the richness of the written language, while also challenging them to consider complex ideas and issues. Ultimately, the use of authentic text can foster a lifelong love of reading and provide students with the tools they need to navigate the world around them. As we embark on teaching reading comprehension with novels that introduce controversial topics, it is important that we keep our primary goal in mind: to teach students to comprehend text and understand, but not necessarily agree with, the author's point of view. To that end, we offer the following recommendations for guidelines when teaching such novels. 1. Foster open and honest discussions. We should create a classroom environment where students feel safe to communicate their ideas in a respectful manner. 2. Encourage students to read with purpose. We should emphasize the importance of analyzing character development and events in stories to determine central ideas or themes. 3. Develop logical thinking. We should encourage our students to make logical inferences and draw conclusions by citing actual text and the author's style and use of language. 4. Recognize historical facts. It is important to differentiate between historical facts and opinions in controversial topics. We want students to be able to analyze and think critically and develop the comprehension skills embedded within the Minnesota standards. 5. Avoid promoting particular ideologies. Our goal is to build students' abilities to analyze powerful texts that have well-developed themes, but not promote any particular ideology. In conclusion, our primary goal when teaching novels with controversial topics should be to promote reading with purpose and to build students' abilities to analyze character development and events in stories to determine central ideas or themes. We should encourage our students to think critically and develop comprehension skills, but we should not promote any particular ideology. With open and honest discussions and an emphasis on respectful treatment of all characters, we can successfully navigate these challenging but important texts.